In our case, we will simply go to plugins, and I will show you a very nice plugin here, and the plugin name is, this plugin is actually from Google. So there are a lot of plugins which can actually track the information from Google Analytics, but there is a plugin named Sitekit which is from Google, and definitely it is, if it is from Google and it is free, so we should use that. So let's type Sitekit, and hopefully we will have that plugin. You can see Sitekit by Google. We can just install it, and now after installing we will just click on activate, and now this plugin will be activated, and that's beautiful. This is the dashboard, and we can starting set up the Sitekit. And the next time if you want to access the Sitekit, it is on the top. So let's click on start setup, and you have to log in with the account by which you want to actually set up your Google Analytics. So here you can see connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup, activate to track how much traffic you are getting, help us improve Sitekit, okay, and sign in with Google. So here we will actually add certain information from Google, and after login we will resume the video. Step, we will enable everything here, select all to allow everything, and can click on continue. So this plugin is from Google, so you can trust on this. So now you can see that everything is almost set up. You're already verified. Google detected that you have a verified owner of Pakistani TV because we have verified the site with Webmaster Tools. So just click on next, turn on metrics on your dashboard, allow, and then Pakistani TV is already added to console, search console. You will be able to see how people find your site in search. Next, and set up Google Analytics. So that's great. We have successfully set up the Google Analytics, and here now you can see that we have the Sitekit dashboard, but we have to create the property or account. So here you can see we can set up a new account, or we can use the incern account. So let's create a new account because I want to make a different account. So here you can see that it's already added data from our Webmaster Tools. Pakistani time is also selected, and we will just click on create account. So it is good to create the it will ask for email again, and it is better to create a Webmaster Tools account before Analytics, so it will automatically connect. Otherwise no issue, you can create an Analytics account as well before that. Webmaster Tools, it's not a necessary. So now you can see that we are on Analytics, and here on Analytics he is asking for accepting the terms. So we'll read all the terms in detail, and then we'll just click here on agree. Okay, I agree. I also accept the data, and then here you can see I accept. So I accept, and again we will click on go to my dashboard. Super. Now our website, within the website we can actually check out the details. You can see we have it will take some time for gathering the data when you will have some visitors on your website, and you can see that already total clicks and total impression, gathering data, and everything is here, and beautiful. You can see everything in detail, and here you can completing analytics, okay, got it. And analytics gathering data, okay, got it. And now it will definitely take some time. You can see we have the tabs here where you can go to traffic, content, speed, monetization, etc., and you can see the relevant data. Okay, so it will take some time and then it will show us the data. Definitely we are relatively new and we don't have any too much visitors to our website, so we will just wait for some seconds and then we will move further. Okay, so you can only see the details in admin panel, but also you can directly go to analytics account, and now in analytics account your website is already added. So here on you can see that all accounts. If you click here, you can see the Pasman TV. Click here and we can click here on the property, and now we are actually inside the Pasman TV. And you can review everything. You can see audiences, you can see other things as well, so you can explore actually the whole website credentials, website informations. Okay, so that's beautiful, and gathering the data, and definitely you can I think we only are the person which is login. Maybe some other people can be on our website, we don't know, but as this website is totally new, so that's I'm not expecting too much visitors. That's it for this video, and in next video we'll move further. Goodbye.